Let's start with registration in the morning system. Fill in all the required fields, including the choice of business form, Patur or Murshe, or another form that suits you. In our example, it's Murshe. Enter your business number and name, along with any other necessary information. Select the option to Start with Document Creation and choose Hashbonit Mas Kabbalah as the primary incoming document. For Patur, the document type will simply be Kabbalah. Now set the number from which your first document will be issued. In our case, we'll leave it unchanged. This number will be used for the very first document, so if you're continuing from another system, make sure to align the numbering accordingly. If you plan to use two systems in parallel, make sure the numbering does not overlap. Next, you need to activate an additional setting. Go to the Document Settings section, then to the General Settings tab, and check the relevant option. This enables control over the VAT amount when generating documents from Allpay. If you're registered as Patur, the option will have a different name. Please refer to our integration guide for details. Now you'll need to choose a subscription plan that supports API access. Go to the subscription section and select a plan that includes API access. Enter your card details and confirm the payment. If needed, you can switch from annual to monthly billing, whichever is more convenient for you. Then go to the Developer Tools section and click the button to create new API keys. Give the integration a name. For example, Allpay. Check the box and click the button to generate the keys. Copy both keys and paste them into the morning module settings in Allpay. Activate the module. That's it. The integration is now active and documents will be generated automatically. Important: the business type in Allpay and Morning must match. If you selected Murshe in Morning, the same type must be selected in Allpay as well. Let's now make a test payment for 5 shekels. I've entered the card details and completed the payment. On the Payment Success page, a Download Receipt button appears. In addition, the customer receives an email after payment. If the Morning module is enabled, the email will include a section with a button to download the document. Here's an example of such an email. The same button is also available in the transaction details on Allpay main page. Now let's find the same receipt in the Morning dashboard. Sometimes the first receipt doesn't appear right away, and refreshing the page doesn't help. In that case, log out and log back into your account. Here it is. Now the receipt is visible. If you need to process a refund, do it through Allpay. Click the Refund button and select either a full or partial refund. Refund documents will be created automatically in the morning. For Murshe, these include a Hashbonit Zikui and a negative Kabbalah. The customer also receives these documents by email. If you change your business type, for example, from Patur to Murshe, you must update it in both Morning and Allpay. In Morning, this is done in the Business Settings section, and in Allpay, in the Company Settings section. The types must match. If you receive payment not through Allpay, like in cash or bank transfer, you will have to create the document manually. To do this, click the plus icon, select the appropriate document type, Hashbonit Mas Kabbalah for Osek Murshe or just Kabbalah for Osek Patur. Fill in the required fields and click Create Document. All reporting documents for accounting will be managed through Morning. This will be your official accounting system.